Hello everyone. In the previous video of chapter 12, area related to circle, I have explained the area of sector and segment of the circle. And I told you to remember the formula for this exercise. Hope you people have learned it. Okay. So, before going to the exercise, let me recall the concept once again. See, the topic is area of sector and segment of a circle. This I had already explained you in the previous video. In this video, I am just going to recall the concept. See, this is the circle, and if the region bounded between two radii and the arc, if you shade this region, it becomes a sector. And the angle formed at the center by the two radii is denoted by theta. Now, to find out the area of this, the formula is area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay? Now, suppose if you have to find out the length of the arc. For length of the arc formed by the two radii, this is what? This is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. If you have to find out length, you have to multiply theta by 360 by the circumference, that is 2 pi r. If you have to find out the area of the part of the circle, that is sector, it is theta by 360 into pi r square. Now the last formula is area of the segment. So what is segment? Segment is the region bounded between chord and the arc. So this is the segment. Now if you have to find out area of this implies area of segment is what? Area of segment is equal to area of sector, that is this whole sector, minus area of triangle. So area of sector, the formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. I told you that if theta is 90, it is half base into height. But if theta is other than 90, then the formula is half r square sine theta. Why sine theta we are using? Because sine 90 is 1. So there is no change in the formula. It remains half r into r, that is half base into height. Okay, so these three formulas you have to learn. Let us proceed to the next exercise to make the concept more clear. Exercise 12.2. Question number 1 is, find the area of the sector of a circle whose radius is 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree. See, you have to find out area of the sector, and the things given to you are radius is 6 cm and angle of the sector. Angle of the sector means it is denoted by theta. This is 60 degree. Correct? Just the direct formula, use the direct formula, area of sector. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. We have to use pi as 22 by 7 unless it is stated as 3.14. Okay, if 3.14 is given to you, then you have to use 3.14. You can't use 22 by 7 there. Just use 22 by 7 in place of pi. So this becomes 60 by 360. Theta is 60. Pi is 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. Cancel this. It comes out to be 22 into 36 upon 42. Okay, again you can cancel these two. 2 11s are 2 21s are 3 12 3 7. So this is 132 by 7 centimeter square, because you are finding the area, so answer comes in centimeter square. Move to second question. Question number 2. Find the area of the quadrant. Now you have to find out area of a quadrant. This you have to find out. And what is given to you? Whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Circumference is 22 centimeter. Now, two terms. One is quadrant. Quadrant is 1/4 part. And since we are talking about the circle, area of quadrant of a circle, we have to find out. So this is 1/4 part of the circle. That is this much only. So this quadrant implies that theta is 90 degree. Because quadrant is the 4th part of the circle and the circle complete angle is 360 degree. So you have to divide this by 4 to get 90. Okay, so whenever quadrant is there, take theta as 90. And circumference of the circle is 22 centimeter. So with the help of this, I can find out the radius. See, what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r is 22. Just solve this. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. This implies r is equal to 22 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Cancel these two. Implies r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. So we have got the radius. Theta is given. I can easily find out area of the quadrant. Quadrant is nothing, again a sector with theta 90 degree. Either you use the formula for area of sector or directly you can write that area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4 into area of circle. See, 1 by 4. If you go by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square, no change. Both the formulas are same. See, theta is what? Theta is 90 by 360 and what is pi r square? Pi r square is area of circle. Okay, so for quadrant directly you can use that 1 by 4 into area of circle. So write down 1 by 4 into pi r square, put down the value 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 and r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Cancel this, you will get it as 77 upon 8 centimeter square. Either you leave like this or if you want you can convert this into decimal form also. Move to third question. Question number 3. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Clock is given to you. The length of the minute hand. Minute hand is considered to be the radius of the circle. Okay, so length of the minute hand is 14 centimeter. That means radius of the circle is 14 centimeter. You have to find out the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. That means you have to find out the area of this region. And this region is what? This is sector. But again, radius is known to us, 14 centimeter. Theta is not given. So how to find out the theta? Look here class, this is clock. In clock, how many sectors can you make like this? See, you can make 12 sectors. This is 12, 1, 2, 3, like this. So total sectors, 12 sectors. And that too equal sectors, okay? So in a clock, 12 equal sectors are made. So what is the area of this sector? It is 360 divided by 12. So theta is 360 divided by 12. That comes out to be 30 degree. Again, for the convenience, you can write 1/12 of area of circle. Okay. So therefore area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 upon 360 into 22 by 7. What is the radius given to you? 14 into 40. Cancel this. 12, 7, 2, 2, 6. And if you solve this, you can further cancel 2 3s are 2 11s. So it comes out to be 154 by 3 centimeters square. I hope it is clear. Okay, so if theta is not given to you, find out the number of sectors, equal sectors framed in that particular figure. Divide 360 by that number, you will get theta. Come to question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. So you have to find out two things. First is area of minor segment, and then you have to find out area of major sector. Okay, one more thing is given to you, that you have to use pi as 3.14. Okay, first let us draw the figure. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm. Circle is there, chord is given to you, radius is given to you as 10 cm. Subtends a right angle at the center. This chord is subtending right angle at the center. So theta is 90 given to you. Pi is given, radius is given, theta is given. So let us start the solution directly. See, radius is 10 centimeter, theta is 90 degree. So let us start the first part. In the first part you have to find out area of minor segment. Segment means this part. How will you get this part? Area of sector minus area of triangle. This is theta by 360 into pi r square minus. See, theta is 90. So I can write half base into height. Or I can use the formula half r square sine theta. Sin 90 is 1. So, if theta is 90, directly use half into base into height. Where base equal to height equal to radius. Base and height both are radius. So, put down the value now. Theta is 90 upon 360 into 3.14. Radius is 10 into 10 minus half, base is radius, that is 10, height is again radius, that is 10. So you have to solve this to get the answer. Cancel these two, 9 ones are 9 fours are. This comes out to be 1 by 4 into, if you multiply 3.14 by 100, it becomes 314. Minus, cancel this, 50. Correct? We can further solve this. It comes out to be 78.5. So this is 78.5 minus 50, which gives you 28.5 centimeters square. Hope it is clear. Now the second part is you have to find out area of major sector. See, area of major sector now. So let me draw the figure again. This is the circle, chord, radius, this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, theta is 90 given to you. You have to find out area of major sector, means this sector is required. So for this sector we have to find out the major angle also. Okay. So second part, major angle. What is the major angle? Let us again denote this by theta. This is 360 minus 90, which comes out to be 270 degree. If you have to find out major sector, major angle is required. Okay. So major angle theta is 360 minus this minor angle, that is 90. It comes out to be 270. And radius is 10 centimeter. Radius remains the same. Therefore, area of major sector is equal to, formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Put down the values. Theta is 270 upon 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. Cancel 0. 9 3s are 9 4s are. So this is 3 by 4 into 314, and if you solve this, you will get the answer as 235.7 centimeter square. I hope it is clear. Move to question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, and area of the segment formed by the corresponding arc. Now 3 things. First you have to find out the length of the arc. Okay. Second, you have to find out area of the sector formed by the arc. And thirdly, you have to find out area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So these 3 things we have to find out. And what is given to us? It is given that radius is 21 centimeter and it subtends an angle of 60 degree. That means theta is 60 degree. So information is given to us. Just we have to put down the formula and solve it. Let us start the calculation. See the first one. So length of arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is equal to theta is 60 upon 360 into 2 into pi is not given to you, so you can take 22 by 7 into 21. It comes out to be 22 centimeter. Second part, area of the sector. What is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Put down the values. 60 by 360, 22 by 7. Radius is 21 into 21. Cancel this. 3, 2, 2, 11. It comes out to be 231 centimeter. If you have to find out the length of arc, you have to write down in centimeter only and area in centimeter square. Now last part, area of the segment. Area of the segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square, and area of triangle is half r square sine theta, because now the theta is other than 90 degree. So when you solve this, see, put down the value first. This is 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 minus half into 21 into 21 into sine 60. and in trigonometry you have read the values of some specific angle, and there you read that sine 60 is what? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Correct? So put the value. Solve this, you will get the answer. When you multiply these two, you will get 231. Already we had solved in the second part area of sector, which comes as 231 minus this is 21 into 21 is 441 upon 2 into root 3 by 2, the value of sine 60. So this is 231 minus 441 root 3 upon 4. Leave your answer like this, centimeter square. No need of further calculation because the value of root 3 is not given. If it is given, then only we have to proceed further. Come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Okay, what is given to you? Pi is given as 3.14 and root 3 is given as 1.73. What else is given? Radius is given 15 centimeter, subtends an angle of 60 degree. That means theta is 60 degree. And what you have to find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment. First of all, you have to find out area of minor segment, and secondly you have to find out area of major segment. Okay, so let us start with the first part, area of minor segment. See, you know, if this is the circle with center O and this one is the chord, this region is called the segment, and for finding the segment what you have to do, area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, so this is area of sector minus area of a triangle. Here theta is 60 degree and the radius is 15 centimeter. Put the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sine theta, because theta is other than 90 degree. Put down the values. This is 60 upon 360 into pi is 3.14 given to you, radius is 15 into 15 minus half into 15 into 15 into sine 60 degree, because theta is 60. So when you solve this part, the answer comes out to be 117.75. Calculate yourself, and when you solve this part you will get as 225 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Say 15 into 15 is 225 by 2 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is 117.75 minus, in place of root 3 you have to put 1.73. So after putting 1.73 here, and when you calculate this part you will get as 97.31. Just subtract these two, the answer comes out to be 20.44 centimeter square. Do the calculation yourself. Second part. Now you have to find out area of major segment. Major segment means you have to find out the area of this region. So how to find out area of major segment? Definitely what you have to do, area of circle minus this portion, that is area of minor segment. Okay, so area of major segment is see the second part, area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. No, from first part, what is area of minor segment? This is 20.44 centimeter square. So we are going to use this. Put down area of circle is pi r square minus area of minor segment is 20.44. So no need to calculate again because the same question is given to you. So no need to find again. So here 3.14 into 15 minus 20.44. When you multiply these three, you will get 706.5 minus 20.44, and after subtracting I will get the result as 686.06 centimeters square. Calculation is required. Move to question number 7. Question number 7. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. This is chord given to you. Radius is 12 centimeter of this circle. Subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. So this angle is 120 degree now. You have to find out area of corresponding segment. Okay, what is given? Radius is 12 centimeter. Theta is 120 degree. Therefore, area of the segment is use the formula area of sector minus area of triangle. So what is area of sector? Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square, and area of triangle is half r square sine theta, because theta is other than 90 degree. Now two more things are given to you. Pi as 3.14, you have to use pi as 3.14 and root 3 as 1.73. Put the value 120 upon 360 into 3.14 into 12 into 12 minus half into 12 into 12 into sine 120. Now in trigonometry we have read the T ratios only for the acute angle, and this is obtuse angle. Okay, so one specific case is there in this exercise. Just remember that sine 120 is nothing but equal to sine 60. Just learn this thing. In 11th class you will come to know how they are equal. Okay, so the value of sine 120 is also root 3 by 2. Now let us solve it. It comes out to be, when you solve this part, you will get 150.72 minus, this is 72 into sine 120 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 is again given to you. So you can cancel this again. So this is 36 into 1.73. This is 150.72 minus 62.28. And when you subtract this, you will get 88.44 centimeters square. Okay. Move to 8th question. Question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 cm by means of a 5 meter long rope. Figure is there. See, this is the square. Horse is tied here with a 5 meter long rope. And the side of the square is given as 15 meter. Okay, so if 5 meter long rope is there, that means horse can move only in this direction. He can cover only this much of area. And what about theta? Theta is 90 because it is a square given to you, and in a square all the 4 angles is 90 degree. What you have to find out? You have to find out the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. That means you have to find out the area of this region. And in the second part, you have to find out the area in the increasing area. And in the second part, you have to find out the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Now suppose if the rope is 10 meter, then the horse can graze in this much area. Okay, if this is 10 meter. I have to find out this increasing area also. So let us do the first part first. See, for this sector, first part is what you have to find out, area of that part of the field in which horse can graze. So area of field in which horse can graze is equal to area of sector with theta 90 and radius 5 meter. Put the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Again pi 3.14 given to you. So 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. Cancel this. And when you multiply these, you will get the answer as 19.625 meters square. Now move to the second part. In the second part, you have to find out the increase in the grazing area. So for calculating the increase in grazing area, you have to find out the area of new sector now. Okay, so area of new sector, and for new sector theta is again 90, but radius comes out to be 10 meter. So formula is same, theta by 360 into pi r square. Put down the value, 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. Cancel. This is 1 by 4 into 314, which is equal to 78.5 meter square. Therefore, increase in grazing area is equal to area of new sector minus area of sector solved in the first part. So this is 78.5 minus 19.625, which comes out to be 58.875 meter square. So in this way you have to solve the questions. So in this video we have solved exercise 12.2, question number 1 to 8. Hope you people have understood. Okay, practice well. In the next video, we are going to complete exercise 12.2, that is from question number 9 to question number 14. Till then, take care. Bye.